Installing a new kitchen faucet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a home improvement project that's both practical and rewarding, installing a new kitchen faucet. Whether you're upgrading your old faucet or replacing a leaky one, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Preparation. Gather tools and materials you'll need. Number 1, basin wrench. Number 2, adjustable wrench. Number 3, plumber's putty. Number 4, bucket or towels. Have your new faucet and any additional components like mounting hardware on hand. Clear the area, remove any items from under the sink to create ample working space. Turn off the water supply. Locate shut-off valves. These are typically found under the sink. Turn them clockwise to shut off the water. Drain the faucet. Open the faucet to let any residual water flow out and to relieve pressure in the lines. Remove the old faucet. Disconnect water supply lines. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nuts connecting the water supply lines to the faucet. Have a bucket or towels ready to catch any water that might spill. Prepare the sink. Clean the area. Scrape off any old plumber's putty or sealant from the sink's mounting surface. Clean the surface with a mild cleaner to ensure a good seal for the new faucet. Install the new faucet. Apply plumber's putty. Roll a small amount of plumber's putty into a rope and place it around the base of the faucet if the faucet's design requires it. Alternatively, you can use a silicone sealant if recommended by the manufacturer. Position the faucet. Place the faucet into the mounting holes in the sink. Ensure that it is aligned correctly and centered. Secure the faucet from under the sink. Slide the mounting washers and nuts onto the faucet's mounting bolts. Tighten the nuts using a basin wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the sink. Connect the water supply lines. Attach the supply lines. Connect the hot and cold water supply lines to the corresponding faucet connections. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the nuts securely, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the fittings. Check for leaks. Turn on the water supply. Slowly turn the shutoff valves counterclockwise to restore the water supply. Test the faucet. Run water. Turn the faucet on and test both hot and cold water. Check for proper flow and any drips or leaks around the faucet and connections. Adjust if necessary. If there are any issues with the flow or leaks, you may need to adjust the connections or recheck the installation. Check operation. Ensure the faucet operates smoothly and that there are no remaining leaks. If you encounter any issues beyond minor adjustments, it may be a good idea to consult the faucet's installation guide or seek professional help to ensure proper installation. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.